Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I just pulled this thing out, right? Because I have to change it out. I'm thinking that the auto light might help. My front signal lights, or marker lights I mean, don't work. But I just bought this one here for 25 bucks from the wrecker. And what I noticed, I wanted to be sure of this, but what I noticed is these things have the exact same pin count. They're both the exact same, except one has auto. And I'm looking at this thing here, and you know, right up there in the center, right there in the center of that screen, you see the auto light sensor. And I'm thinking that hopefully I get this thing plugged in and she'll work. So let's get to that. All right, so just to confirm it, that thing is on auto and my lights are on. I'll do this right here so you guys can see this on my wipers. So I'm just going to do this real quick because I can see my lights are on up there too on the trailer. But I'm just going to step back right here so you guys can watch. When I put them back to the lights and then I go back there and then there, right? My lights are off. So I go like this and this to auto. And because it's raining out right now and the clouds, it is raining. Sure enough. So if you guys want to get the auto lights for your police cruiser, it is indeed plug and play. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. Help my channel grow to 2,000 subscribers. Let's do that, guys. And if this helps you guys, please hit that like button, share it, leave a comment if you have one. If you have any questions about this, just give me a shout on the comments. With that being said, guys, this is a short video. I'm going to go ahead and just... This thing, by the way, the easiest way to do this, what I did was, there is a screw that holds this on, but I just pulled this down a bit. The fuse panel is supposed to be underneath here. That's how I knew I could pull this out. And the fuse panel is not there, so I don't know where the fuse panel is in this cruiser. But I just pulled up, and then you just got to pull down. There's little metal tabs, and you can feel it. One's right above the off there. So I just pushed down on that, and then you know, just kind of get the one on the side there. And then when you're done, we'll just go ahead and push that right in there, and boom, I've got auto lights in my 2013 Police Interceptor. Awesome. I don't know why they don't have those in the police, but I guess they don't really want them in the police, but sure enough, that works. Now the trick is I want to see if my markers are working. So sure enough, my taillights are on, that side marker's working, that one's working, that one's working, and that one's working, and my lights are working. Obviously you can see the reflection there. They're working. But my side marker, well, I think that one's out anyway. I pulled that one out. But I put this one back in place, and that's a brand new bulb, and it's still not working. And I can't figure this out because it's all wired up. So it'll be going to my mechanics tonight. And he said that this has happened before. They've worked on cruisers before where they end up having to rewire this thing to something else, and he couldn't remember what. So I'm going to partially put this back together again. I got to put a couple screws on either side of the fender there. So, yeah, so just so it doesn't tear things apart while I'm driving it up the road. But there she is, boys and girls, the auto lights. It does in fact work if you guys want to upgrade. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you next time. I love you guys, man. See you guys in the next one. Peace.